Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to make the Twisted Cobra. It's really easy. In fact, the hardest part is joining 3 bits of paracord together, but I'll show you what I did later on. So Twisted Cobra, 3 colours. You know, you can make one of these Paracord lanyards, you can do bracelets, anything that has 3 colours in, you can make a Twisted Cobra. So I've sold a couple of Paracord lanyards in Serbia colours. So the main colour was white and the highlights were blue and red. You know, you could do it in sports teams, Man United, any sports team that plays in 3 colours, and any national flag, or just 3 colours that really go together. So I'll stop waffling. Oh, how did I join the 3 paracord together? Well, first of all, the main colour is just normal paracord. I haven't done anything with it. The highlight colours I've gutted. I've taken the insides out. That's quite easy to do. You just pull the cords in the middle, just pull them out. That's gutting the paracord. This is sliding all over the place. Right, this is the best way I found of joining 3 bits of paracord together. So I got the black and white, held them together. I got the orange and heated both sides up at the same time and just squished them together. It's a whole lot easier than trying to have 3 cords in one hand and use your lighter in the other. So that's my tip. And here we go. Oops, it's basically the Cobra Weave, and I always start with the welded bit just down a little bit from the top. That way you hide the join. So I've got my black and white. It's going to go over the top like that. The orange is going to go over the top, behind everything, out the other side, and carefully pull everything together. The first weave is always the worst. That's how I always think. But pull it all tight like that. There you go, and do exactly the same. Black and white over the top, the orange behind everything, out the other side, carefully pull it all together. Make sure you don't get your colours muddled up. So I should have the white over the black coming out of this side and the black over the white on that side. And you should see the pattern coming through. Look. There you go. Let's do it again. Now I've been doing it on lanyards because they sell really well at the moment. I'd rather make lanyards and key rings than bracelets, especially lanyards because they're useful, especially with the virus going round. And we have the lanyards at work. There you go, you can see the pattern coming through. And like I said, any colour, anything with 3 colours, I've done I sold a couple of Serbia with the World Cup coming up next year, the Olympics and things like that, and I'm sure the virus will be hanging around next year as well. There's some ideas of how to sell some paracord as well, added in 3. All I'm going to do is snip and singe, and I'll see you in a bit. So there you go, that is your Twisted Cobra, nice and easy. There's the back, there's the front, really easy to do, great way of incorporating 3 colours and selling lots of lanyards as well. Now YouTube would like you to watch that video up there, I would like you to watch that playlist up there, and I shall see you later. Okay, bye.